So who are your clients? Like, are you a real estate broker by yourself?
No, I'm not a broker. I'm just
Okay.
simply an investor. And
So
so what
investor, you invest for yourself and you help other people to invest as well.
That's right. So we have an idea. Maybe you've heard of it. Maybe some of your listeners have heard of it. It's called the infinite banking concept. And what you can do is you can essentially, from 30,000 feet, you can put money into a whole life insurance policy. Now, there's some rules, there's some ways that you can get cute with it and strategic, but you can put money into life insurance, borrow against it the same way that you could borrow against your house or your other income property, and it does not interrupt the appreciation of the asset that you own. So think about it this way. If you can put money into a whole life policy, you immediately borrow against the value of it. You take the insurance company's money to go buy a piece of real estate or pay off the debt of your vehicle, your student loans or credit, whatever it is. Essentially what the goal is to find ways to purchase assets or debt and then redirect, which is usually cash flow that's outgoing,
Mhm.
redirect it back to yourself. So then you can have inflow. And not to mention, this whole idea is tax-free and litigation protected. So
Mhm.
what I discovered, and I talked to my accountant about this, and he's like, dude, you got to preach this thing from the mountaintops, man. So I will be taking up a tithe after this call. So no. um, what he mentioned is like, look, if you can teach people how to put money in life insurance, borrow against it, take policy loans to purchase real estate, have their spouse, the purchaser of that piece of real estate, become a real estate professional, do what's called a cost segregation study, get bonus depreciation on that property, you can then take massive passive losses against your high earned income and pay very little income tax. All the while your rental income is coming in passively and your policy is still compounding in the background. And he goes, you got to tell everyone that you know about this. And that's why I quit medical sales to start doing real estate and whole life insurance and just um, tell everybody that I know about it because I got 6 policies myself. I've got, like I said, almost be 14 buildings next month. And I believe in it, man, 1000%.
That's great.